Imagine having just 5 credit cards in your wallet. And with them, you can earn some serious rewards and benefits. Whether you're a jet setter hopping from one country to another, or someone who loves cashback on everyday purchases, we've got you covered. We'll break down the top 5 credit cards that should be in your wallet and explain how they can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every year. Plus, we have a couple of bonus cards at the end that can take your financial strategy to the next level. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate credit card setup you need to maximize your rewards without the hassle. Ready? Let's go. For dining and grocery purchases, the American Express Gold Card stands out as an excellent choice. This card offers significant benefits that make it a staple in a well-rounded credit card strategy. One of the most attractive features of the Amex Gold Card is its generous welcome bonus. New cardholders can earn 60,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months. This extended time frame to meet the spending requirement makes it easier to earn the bonus without stretching your budget. Additionally, some applicants might qualify for an even higher bonus of 75,000 points through specific offers like the Card Match tool. The Amex Gold Card is particularly rewarding for those who frequently spend on dining and groceries. Cardholders earn 4 times the points per dollar spent at restaurants, including takeout and delivery services, and at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 in purchases per year. After hitting this cap, you still earn 1 point per dollar, ensuring continuous rewards. This makes the card a top choice for anyone looking to maximize points in these categories. Membership rewards points are known for their flexibility and value. They can be transferred to over 20 airline and hotel partners, making them incredibly versatile for travel redemptions. For instance, you can transfer points to airlines like Delta, ANA, or Virgin Atlantic to book flights, often getting more value compared to booking directly through Amex Travel. While the Amex Gold Card comes with a $250 annual fee, the benefits can easily offset this cost. One of the standout perks is the up to $120 annual dining credit, which you can use in $10 monthly increments at Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Wine.com, Goldbelly, Milk Bar, and participating Shake Shack locations. Although this credit is split monthly and might not be useful for everyone, it can significantly reduce the card's effective annual cost for those of us who use these services regularly. Another valuable benefit is the up to $120 annual Uber Cash, also split into $10 monthly increments. This can be used for Uber rides or Uber Eats orders in the US, adding further value if you frequently use these services. Just remember to add your Amex Gold Card to your Uber account to take advantage of this perk. For travelers, another major advantage is the lack of foreign transaction fees. This makes the Amex Gold Card a great companion for international trips, allowing you to earn rewards on overseas purchases without incurring additional costs. Next, we have the Essential Food Card. Having a dedicated food card is super essential for maximizing rewards on dining and grocery purchases, which are significant spending categories for most people. Picking the best option here will basically be a life hack. These expenses can quickly add up, as you know, so it is very important to choose a card that offers substantial rewards in those areas. Your first option? The Capital One Savor One. This one is convenient and is great for both traveling and cashback. All in all, the Capital One Savor One card is an excellent choice. This card offers 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and groceries, making it a versatile and valuable addition to your wallet. The 3% cashback on dining includes spending at restaurants, fast food, cafes, and bars. Moreover, the entertainment category covers tickets to movies, concerts, and sporting events, among other things. Additionally, the 3% back on popular streaming services includes platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Spotify, making it a comprehensive option for everyday spending. One of the standout features of the Savor One card is that it has no annual fee, which is rare for a card that offers such generous rewards. That's a chance you really don't want to let go of. Plus, it comes with a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months, providing an immediate boost to your rewards. For those who hold other Capital One cards like the Venture or Venture X, the SavorOne's cashback can be converted into miles, enhancing its value even further. For example, if you have the Venture X card, the 3% cash back can be turned into triple miles, which can be more valuable when redeemed for travel. But if cashback is your biggest focus and you really don't care about any of these other factors, I've got an even better option for you. One great card to always have on you for this purpose is the US Bank Altitude Go card. This one offers an impressive 4 times points on dining, takeout, and delivery services, making it a fantastic option for food lovers. It also includes double points on groceries, gas stations, and streaming services, and single points on all other purchases. With no annual fee and a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days, this card is both rewarding and cost-effective. Additionally, the card includes a $15 annual credit for streaming service purchases, which adds further value. Another one you can consider that I really love to recommend is the Amazon Prime Visa. If you shop at Amazon and Whole Foods all the time, you need to have an Amazon Prime Visa card. It offers 5% back on purchases at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market for Prime members, making it incredibly rewarding for regular shoppers. Additionally, the card provides 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. With no annual fee, aside from the cost of Amazon Prime membership, this card is a valuable addition for maximizing cash back on everyday spending, especially for those who rely heavily on Amazon for their shopping needs. It makes things so easy. And if you're not happy with these options, here's another alternative. For those who can maximize its benefits, the American Express Gold Card is another excellent option. This card offers 4 times membership rewards points on dining at restaurants worldwide and at U.S. supermarkets up to $25,000 per year, and 3 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. The higher rewards rate on dining and groceries can significantly boost your points earnings, especially if these are major spending categories for you. The American Express Gold Card does have a $250 annual fee, which might seem steep at first glance, but don't worry. The card comes with up to $240 in annual credits that can offset this fee. These credits include $10 per month in Uber Cash, which can be used for Uber Rides or Uber Eats, and $10 per month in dining credits at select restaurants and food delivery services, like Grubhub, Seamless, and Shake Shack. If you regularly use these services, the credits can effectively reduce the annual fee to just $10. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize their travel rewards. With its versatile points system and attractive benefits, this card has become a favorite among travelers. Let's dive into why this card deserves a spot in your wallet. First, let's talk about the welcome bonus. When you sign up for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, you earn a substantial bonus that significantly boosts your travel savings. The current offer allows you to earn points worth a minimum of $900 in travel after meeting the spending requirements. This bonus alone makes the card incredibly valuable, providing a significant head start on your travel plans. One of the standout features of the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is its flexible points system. The points you earn, known as Chase Ultimate Rewards, can be used in various ways. You can book flights, hotels, car rentals, and more through the Chase Travel Portal, where your points are worth 1.25 cents each. This versatility ensures you get the most value from your points, no matter your travel preferences. Additionally, the card allows you to transfer your points to 14 different airlines and hotel partners, giving you even more options for redemption. This feature is particularly useful if you have a preferred airline or hotel chain, as you can maximize the value of your points by transferring them to the partner program and booking directly. Now let's look at the spending categories. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offers 3 times points on dining, including eligible delivery services, and 3 times points on online grocery purchases, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs. These categories cover a significant portion of everyday spending, making it easy to rack up points quickly. For other travel purchases, you earn 2 times points, and all other purchases earn 1 point. This balanced reward structure ensures you earn points consistently across various spending categories. When considering a travel rewards card, the annual fee is always a crucial factor. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card has a modest annual fee of $95, which is easily offset by the benefits it provides. The big welcome bonus alone more than covers the fee, but there are additional perks that add value. For example, you get up to $50 in statement credits each account anniversary year for hotel stays purchased through Chase Travel. This benefit helps reduce your travel costs even further. Moreover, the card comes with travel protections, including trip cancellation interruption insurance and primary car rental insurance. These protections give you peace of mind when traveling, knowing you're covered in case of unexpected events. Another notable benefit is the ability to earn 5 times points on travel purchased through Chase Travel, excluding hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 anniversary hotel credit. This can help you accumulate points faster when booking flights, car rentals, and more through the portal. One of the most beneficial types of credit cards you can have in your wallet is a no annual fee card. These cards are a must-have in any credit card strategy because they provide valuable rewards without the burden of an annual fee. Let's delve into why no annual fee cards are essential and how they can be used effectively. First and foremost, the absence of an annual fee means you can hold on to these cards for years without worrying about offsetting yearly costs. This makes them particularly useful for long-term credit building and maintenance. Keeping a no annual fee card active helps maintain the length of your credit history, which is one of the 5 factors that determine your FICO score. Additionally, having a card with no annual fee increases your available credit, which can positively impact your credit score as long as you manage the card wisely and keep balances low. Within the category of no annual fee cards, there are various options tailored to different spending habits and preferences. For example, some no annual fee cards offer cashback rewards. These cards are perfect for those who want to simplify their reward system and earn money back on everyday purchases. You can find cashback cards that offer flat rate rewards on all purchases or those that provide higher rewards in rotating bonus categories. One excellent example of a no annual fee cashback card is the Citi Double Cash card. This card offers an uncomplicated and effective reward structure, giving you 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you make a purchase, and an additional 1% when you pay off your balance. This straightforward approach ensures that you consistently earn rewards on every dollar spent, encouraging responsible credit use by incentivizing timely payments. Recently, Citi introduced a $200 sign-up bonus for the Double Cash card after spending $1,500 in the first 6 months, adding even more value to an already attractive offer. If you prefer earning points or miles, many no annual fee cards cater to those preferences as well. These cards can help you accumulate rewards that can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or other perks. For example, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases, but the rewards are actually in the form of Chase Ultimate Rewards points. This makes the card versatile because you can use the points for travel, gift cards, or even transfer them to Chase's travel partners if you have a premium Chase card. Additionally, some no annual fee cards come with low introductory or ongoing APRs, which can be beneficial if you plan to carry a balance or need to make a large purchase and pay it off over time. These cards often provide 0% APR for a specified period, allowing you to save on interest charges and manage your finances more effectively. Although these 4 cards are absolutely essential, there are some bonus cards you can consider if there's additional concerns you have. These cards can address specific needs, providing unique benefits that complement your main credit card strategy. Traveling should be very convenient so that you can enjoy your journey. Bilt MasterCard is a unique card designed for people like you. With this card, you earn 1 point per dollar on rent payments, which can be a significant source of rewards given the high cost of rent. Bilt points are valuable and versatile, as they can be transferred to a range of travel partners, including major airlines and hotel chains. This makes the Bilt MasterCard an excellent option for renters looking to leverage their monthly payments into travel rewards. And the card has no annual fee, adding to its appeal for those looking to maximize rewards without added costs. But if you want to take your traveling game to the next level, the American Express Platinum Card is a top-tier option. While it carries a high annual fee of $695, the card offers a plethora of perks that can easily outweigh the cost for avid travelers. These include access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through the Global Lounge Collection, which encompasses Amex's Centurion lounges, Priority Pass, and more. The card also offers up to $200 in Uber credits annually, up to $200 in airline fee credits, and up to $100 in Saks Fifth Avenue credits. With this, cardholders earn 5 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, and 5 times the points on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. These benefits, along with comprehensive travel insurance and concierge services, make the Amex Platinum Card a powerhouse for those who travel frequently and want to do so in comfort and style. Let's sum up. Best Grocery and Dining Card, American Express Gold Card. The best bonus is 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months. The main advantage is earning 4 times the points on dining in U.S. supermarkets, making it ideal for everyday spending. Best card for buying food, Capital One Savor One. The best bonus is a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. The main advantage is getting 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services with no annual fee. Best travel card, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The best bonus is points worth at least $900 in travel after meeting the spending requirements. The main advantage is the flexible point system with 3 times the points on dining and 2 times the points on travel purchases. Best no annual fee card, Citi Double Cash Card. The best bonus is a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $1,500 in the first 6 months. The main advantage is earning 2% cash back on all purchases, with 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay off your balance. Best bonus card, American Express Platinum Card. The best bonus is extensive travel perks, including access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. The main advantage is earning 5 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, plus a range of annual credits. It's important to choose credit cards that align with your spending habits and financial goals. You have the freedom to pick and choose what works best for you. Ready for more financial tips? Check out our next video here.